2015 Ford Escape. Volume does not work. So, amplifier. Here's our amplifier. You can see a little bit of discoloration here. I just hit these solder points with a little bit of heat and solder. A little bit here. Probably these got disconnected because of the heat. This one, a little bit of solder. And reinstall. So take this panel off. There's two screws here. You take this unclips all the way to the back. This pushes up, and then you got two screws. Then you pull this out. You have a connector here, You have another 4 screws to take out to just move the screen aside, and then you have the amplifier where the disc goes in. You gotta take that apart. Inside, you have a place that you could add some solder and fix the volume. There you go. Volume works.